Oh my. Hi. Hi, Aunty.
Mommy took my best friend.
Janika made chai for us today. Mommy, no. Hello, we are on the way to meet a friend today. It's a sunny Saturday morning. I'm meeting a friend who I've known since 2014. We met through blogging, and that's how, I think she was the first blogger friend that I met. So it's really fun to meet people you know from like so long ago. She's here with family to visit Canada, so excited to meet her today. It's a full packed day. We're also visiting our aunt this afternoon because this week I just called her to talk generally, and we were talking about food. I feel like food is something that we all connect on. I feel like everyone does, right? So we started talking about chaats, and if you know what chaats are, they're like street food from India, and they're different kinds. So she started talking about Pani Puri. Pani Puri is one kind of street food. We were just reminiscing some of the memories that we've had from having Pani Puri at her place, going to our friend's place, just enjoying the whole vibe, right? So she just suggested, oh, you know what, come on over, let's just have Pani Puri together. So that's what we're doing today. It was like an impromptu, it became a plan even without realizing it. So I made masala puri once and they really liked it. So I'm bringing the masala for the thing. So there will be Pani Puri chaat as well as masala puri chaat, and we're just gonna have a gala street food afternoon today. But yeah, Maui is here at the back. He was just ready this morning. When he knows when we're getting ready, he's always so curious as to whether he's coming or not. When he knows his harness is on, that's when he's like, okay, I'm going to. So he was really excited to just come on. He loves car rides so much. It's funny how much he loves car rides. If there are days when Feral goes to get like he's on some errands and goes outside, he will wait until he comes back, and then if Feral takes him out, he will actually want to go in the car, and then we have to do like a shorter car ride for him, which is so cute, but it's funny how much he loves it. I'm a passenger princess today.
Today and every day.
Today and every day.
Morning.
Hi Aunty, how are you?
Good.
What's happening?
Nothing. Preparing for the evening.
Preparing for the evening. Yeah, I also made the masala, so excited to have our chaat party today afternoon.
Yes, I'm making that pani puri ready made, then I'm making little chicken curry.
Oh wow, nice Aunty. Nice.
Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything homemade.
Yummy. Yeah, that'll be good. Maui, what are you doing? Maui? Who are you looking at outside there? Do you see anyone? Huh? If you ever wondered what the traffic is like in Canada, this is what it is. This is a traffic jam. Yeah.
It takes 5 minutes traffic jam, see.
Yeah, it's showing us it takes 5 minutes for us to get there. Hello, hi Kripa. We are 5 minutes away. And are you in Square One right now? We just reached and we're meeting with a friend at Square One. It's nice and sunny today. Love the weather. Seeing her after like 2016, 17, I think. Oh yeah! Trying to find me. Oh my god! Haven't seen you in forever. Hello! Oh my god! Meeting after?
I don't know when, like really.
5 years?
Yeah, more than that. More than that.
I should introduce you. Hi. It was so good to meet Kripa today. It was like after 7 years that I got to meet her. Yeah, we just caught up on everything. I feel like we just kept talking. There was like non-stop talking. It's so nice to meet people you know from like really long ago. Like I know her from 2014, and I think she was one of the first blogger friends I made. And I still remember our first meeting in Indiranagar in Bangalore, and I feel like the energy we had then, we still have the same energy now when we talk. So just so nice to catch up with her. Yeah, she got me some beauty brands from India to try. I'm excited to try these. Color Chemistry, which is new for me. I've never tried them. Whenever I go to India, I feel like I always end up picking Indian brands to try because there's so much innovation happening even in Indian beauty brands. So I'm excited to try that. Now we're on the way to my aunt's place, which is like an 8 minutes drive from Square One. She lives in Mississauga too. So we're going there. Maui has no idea. He loves them so much. He's going to go bonkers when he meets them. So yeah, we're going to have a chaat party today. We're almost there. Hello! Hi! Yay! Maui, come on! Yeah, you eat. Hi, Aunty!
Sorry,
Hello!
middle of my work.
Oh, you're making dosa.
Where's Janika? There, Maui.
Maui, come here! Hey! Where's Janika? Where did Janika go? Was she screaming? Oh! That's like a gift that he's giving you.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Maui, you're a good boy. Look at his face.
Maui, look. What's that? Maui, look here. What's this? Look. Maui, look. What's that? Oh. He took it. No. Maui. Oh my God, what? Maui, did you catch the wolf?
Maui took my best friend.
Maui, come here.
Hey, come up. What did you do?
Maui,
It's
you
not a
killed the
toy.
wolf.
You killed the wolf. What did you do?
TV is on.
I don't know.
Oh, well, this one. Oh, look at that
Give it some
idli.
water, man.
Where's the bottle? Wait.
What are you doing? Pani Puri in the making. They look like coins.
Maui, come on. Go.
Come here. Yeah, you go to the good boy.
Hi.
Good boy. What's there on the table?
He's like, you go. I don't want to come under that.
Okay, you want this bottle? You give me this, I'll give you this. Big one. I'll give you this. Take this one. You take the. I'll take the bad one.
He jumped.
Oh my goodness, Maui, you haven't seen Uncle in so long.
Oh my God, he was just going to the place where you sit.
Yeah.
Uncle, he was there only. He
Yeah, he was
Aunty
sniffing and he's like
there.
trying to look
I think
for-
he is looking for Uncle, and that is when we were like, oh yeah, Uncle sits there.
Look at his tail. Oh my God, it's like going round.
So excited.
Are you happy?
They're coming with the.
Maui, that's Uncle's Maui.
Maui, give.
Give me.
If
No,
you
no, no, no.
you can't gift Uncle's shoe to Uncle only, Maui.
Maui, you have to gift something else.
Something new, not.
Come.
Not what is
Can you
Uncle.
leave it? Leave it.
Let it
Leave
go.
it.
Let it go. Let it go.
Janika hingal dere.
Maui.
एक बोल जाना चाह करता था.
Uncle, hello, Uncle. How are you, Uncle?
It's coming. Hello, Uncle. How are you?
Oh, there.
Oh. Maui.
Take her chai also. She's
Okay,
bringing
yeah.
like this.
Oh yeah. Get the chai now.
It's hot.
Oh wow.
Get the way you
Janika made chai for us today. That looks good. Be careful.
dancing chai. The
Dancing chai.
Dancing chai.
After that,
Going at 2:30 and landing in Indore.
Are you getting cuddles here?
6:05. 4, sorry.
what did you see?
6:05.
Hi.
And then Mumbai you will be leaving.
What is this, Maui? What is this behavior, Pooja?
You know how long it takes?
Oh, he's saying some sound. Can't sound put it, Maui? What's that sound? Oh, burps. Burpee.
So you don't have to change the airports.
That's the advantage, uncle. Here, what is happening now, uncle, with like changes here, the issue is like Buffalo or Chicago or whatever.
His phone about a cockroach.
They should have made brown color,
They
golden
think-
color.
yeah.
No! Move away from me.
Uncle, I'm not scared of
No.
Uncle, what is this?
No, put it inside.
Auntie.
Hey, go away.
No.
I mean, no! Best
But look at this, look at this.
Scared, right?
Come here, look at this.
Same thing.
It won't come out, it won't come out.
No, it won't come.
Look, it won't come out. Where are you running? Come here.
This box, no?
The funny thing is, I was gonna prank. Uncle told, let's prank you. Uncle's like, let's prank Janika. Uncle's so smart. Fell for it properly.
You know what? This is not
Oh my
Uncle had
God.
brought it and kept it on the table there.
Yeah.
So I was just going upstairs. Suddenly I saw this box. I said, what box is this? So I picked it up and I opened. I screamed, no. Janika and Della both comes there. What happened? And I'm holding this box in my hand and there were gloves there.
Yeah.
So I'm telling
Jen,
I'll throw this out.
Arey, that's a gimbal, Baba. That's a gimbal. Don't do that.
So this one,
Yeah, because you hit me, no? Yeah, you hit me, no? You hit me, no? See my dog came.
no!
Now he's like, what are you guys doing?
Don't hit.
yeah, he's telling you
He's
not
like,
to.
don't. Why are you pranking us?
Look at Mommy.
Now he's scared of Aunty now.
Now he's trying to what these people are up to.
And I'm holding this box in my hand
Yeah.
and I'm looking at the gloves and I'm laughing.
Yeah. Stop it! Aunty. He's checking if you're fine, Aunty. He came to check on you.
Oh my
He's like, Aunty, are you okay?
Okay. Is Aunty fine?
Pranking.
Okay, where did it go? Find it.
You looks on it so bad.
Basically, a box in
That's
there.
the best thing. When you give this one, and then it says,
Yeah.
give it to him. And
Yeah.
We'll,
Best
we'll
prank.
Come on, baby.
Best prank idea ever, Uncle.
So-
Tell me, you prank someone else, so you were the one.
So now I am laughing and I'm laughing so much. I was so scared and these people and I'm laughing and I'm holding this thing. So he's saying, Auntie, what happened? What are you laughing? I said, look at the gloves and I gave this box to Della. The way Della screamed, oh my God.
Look at it. Bye, look here. Sit.
Front, man.
Yeah, now this is a selfie.
Now it is fine.
Mommy, look. Who's that?
Boy, hi. I'm Phil.
He's there. Oh, sorry, you forgot to introduce yourself.
Like, meet me first.
Yeah.
Hey.
Tail put up.
You guys know funeral homes, right?
45 minutes दिया रहेगा सही से.
This auntie's chutney, sweet chutney, tastes so good. Dates and Imli chutney.
Yes.
Wow. Look at this Pani. It tastes so good. Pani Puri staple this is.
Aunty, give a demo, no?
I need a plate to give a demo.
Maui.
This is what?
Tikka.
The sweet, spicy, salty.
Spicy.
That one?
Nothing
one
is
is-
spicy, everything is mild.
What's that one? Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
What?
He told chicken curry. I don't know.
No, that's Prince's.
This is
Oh, this is. Oh, yeah. That's masala. I should know.
Sweet, spicy.
It's spicy.
Aunty, can guys sound nahi.
That's a different kind
somebody commentary start.
Narration.
I missed the first two steps. It's okay. I'll figure it out.
First, you take the puri. Then you put the masala. Then you put
some
What
water.
was this?
I put already.
the
And some
spicy
meaty
water
chutney.
and
I put already.
the sweet
Yeah.
Where is the shave?
chutney.
Shave.
Auntie is asking for shave. Now she's sprinkling some shave in the puri.
Sprinkling some.
She's not saying.
And then she's dipping it in the
Then-
pani,
Again, she's dipping it in the
and then
pan.
it goes in your mouth.
And she's eating a
Oh!
Yeah, claps, everyone.
Okay, that's the Pani Puri, okay? The masala puri
Show the
is...
masala puri.
Yeah, I'll show it in a small one so that it's not, I don't make a big bowl for this one. So, for the masala puris, you crush them a little bit in your plate. Okay, this is just an example, so much is enough. You can do more, how much of a puri you want. And then you put this one over it.
What is that?
This is like
That's the
Bangalore
masala.
style. Bangalore
It's like
style.
Bangalore style street food.
Yeah. Oh, you had it.
This is a
Yeah.
potato, it has potatoes, peas in it.
Smell good, huh?
It smells good, yeah. And then how much of you want. Tomato also we can add, but right now I'll show you with same. You can just have it with a little bit of
Put chutney, no?
yeah.
Is this
Put-
spicy or?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one is just
We can just.
this
take
is
a
it.
taste.
I will.
This is the simple.
Oh, okay.
This is just without any chutney. So
How you
Pani's.
eat also.
Oh, how you eat?
How you eat?
Usually there's tomato as well in this one.
Tomatoes and coriander. Tomatoes and
No,
coriander.
yeah, we can add tomatoes and coriander as well. No, yes, if you want more
Jason
sweet,
loved
you can
coriander.
add the chutney over it.
Let's
Right now I'll add.
add. Let's add.
Cilantro.
I like spicy, so I'll
She wants to eat.
like this. No, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now with some chutney, if you like some sweetness,
No.
add that to it. But try it both with them without chutney.
Oh, sorry.
Come on now.
Happy eating.
Maui's turn.
Yeah,
Maui's turn.
Daddy, like you all are eating. Where's my food? Maui, who put braids on you? Show me your braids. Look, show me your braids.
Wow.
And then she literally dumped him for that conference. Like, oh, from Sri Lanka, uska fir baad mein pata. And then she went for this thing and she got selected.
That brings us to the end of this day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this vlog, give us a like, follow and subscribe. I'll be back next week with another video. Bye.